On December 26, 2025, a Russian FPV drone engaged a Ukrainian cavalry unit, demonstrating the continued use of unmanned systems for targeting enemy personnel and disrupting movements on the battlefield. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments. Subscribe and leave a like. A Russian FPV drone targeted and struck a Ukrainian soldier mounted on a horse, highlighting the use of drones against mobile personnel. On December 26, 2025, operators of Russian fiber-optic FPV drones engaged enemy soldiers who were stationary, attempting to avoid detection by the drone. In the northern sector, FPV drones from the Russian 5th Brigade engaged a Ukrainian infantry group attempting to evacuate a wounded comrade north of Chasov Yar. A Russian drone operator spotted 2 Ukrainian soldiers moving across open terrain. The individuals were visible while advancing through the area in camouflage clothing, remaining exposed on the open landscape. During a Russian drone attack, footage shows a Ukrainian soldier as a UAV approaches him. The soldier reacts quickly, attempting to engage the drone while maintaining his balance and avoiding falling under the threat. As the fiber-optic drone maneuvered between buildings, it spotted 2 soldiers hiding in a corner. A brief visual contact was established between the drone operator and the Ukrainian soldier. One of the soldiers was armed but unable to move effectively or take cover. The drone maintained its position, tracking their every action, demonstrating how a single unmanned system can pose a significant threat in confined urban environments. In this footage, on the Krasnolaman direction, another enemy armored vehicle of the Kozak type was disabled. Drone operators calmly and accurately detected the target, tracked it, and carried out a precise strike. The engagement reflects controlled execution and effective use of unmanned systems to neutralize enemy equipment in this sector. Another Ka-7 armored vehicle was first disabled by an FPV drone and subsequently neutralized. December 26, 2025, FPV drones from the Russian Siberian Army's Unstoppable Brigade struck enemy infantry and vehicles near Pokrovsk. The operation targeted both personnel and military transport, causing significant disruption to enemy formations. Using real-time fiber-optic control, the drones achieved high precision while operators remained outside direct fire zones. Reports indicate the strike reduced enemy combat effectiveness and slowed their advance in the sector. The footage shows a Russian fiber-optic drone moving inside an abandoned Ukrainian BTRM-113. The drone's camera provides close-up views of the interior, capturing damaged equipment, empty compartments, and signs of prior occupancy. The video highlights the drone's maneuverability in confined spaces, allowing detailed inspection of the armored personnel carrier without risking personnel. New footage shows Russian drone operators continuing to target Ukrainian military vehicles in the Guliay-Pole direction, disrupting supply lines, ammunition transport, and the rotation of Ukrainian troops. The operations highlight the role of unmanned systems in limiting enemy mobility and logistical support on the battlefield. Zaporizhzhia Front. During combat operations, guards of the 143rd Motorized Rifle Regiment detected and disabled communication relay antennas used by Ukrainian UAV operators to maintain control and positioning of their drones. In this footage, crews operating the FARA and SOVA systems carry out coordinated combat actions against enemy personnel within their area of responsibility. The video shows these units detecting enemy movement, tracking targets, and executing precise engagements using available fire support and unmanned systems. All actions are conducted in a controlled and methodical manner, highlighting effective coordination between reconnaissance and strike elements. The operation demonstrates a continued focus on precision, situational awareness, and teamwork, enabling frontline units to suppress enemy activity, restrict maneuverability, and maintain a tactical advantage while minimizing exposure of their own personnel. A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone intercepted a Ukrainian Baba Yaga-type loitering munition while it was deploying munitions against Russian positions, preventing the attack and neutralizing the threat. New footage released by the Ministry of Defense showcases a compilation of drone strikes conducted by unmanned systems, highlighting precision engagements against enemy positions, vehicles, and equipment across multiple sectors of the front. Reconnaissance drones tracked their movement, and subsequent drone attacks followed in quick succession. Ukrainian attempts to counter FPV drones failed on the Konstantinovka direction. The Okhotnik detachment of the 51st Guards Army tracked and struck several Ukrainian pickup trucks, demonstrating the effectiveness of drones against lightly armored transport. Operations were conducted in the Svatopokovsky settlement area on the southern flank of Siversk as part of ongoing combat activities in this sector. The footage documents the moment Ukrainian servicemen were taken into custody following the engagement. The outcome of the operation has been objectively verified, confirming control of the situation on the ground. The recorded scenes capture key moments from the operation, reflecting the tactical developments and the results achieved during actions in this area. Footage has emerged showing Ukrainian armed forces units attempting to advance toward Pokrovsk. The video captures infantry being transported in BMP infantry fighting vehicles, operating in coordination with armored support in the area. According to the sequence shown, after the BMPs disembark their troops, the vehicles turn back and withdraw from the immediate engagement zone. During this phase, the armored support vehicle becomes the focus of FPV drone activity. As the situation develops, one Ukrainian serviceman is left isolated in the area as the engagement unfolds. The footage is described as having undergone objective verification. Overall, it reflects the continued intensity of fighting around Pokrovsk, where both sides are actively contesting control through a combination of mechanized movement, infantry actions, and extensive drone use. In this footage, the 57th Separate Special Purpose Company of the 8th Guards Combined Arms Army conducted precise FPV drone strikes in encircled Dmitrov, targeting a Ukrainian group attempting to hold positions. The strikes successfully neutralized the personnel, depriving the enemy of manpower in the encircled area. The company continues operations against the surrounded Ukrainian forces, maintaining pressure and preventing any effective resistance. As observed, a Russian drone operator successfully destroys an abandoned armored vehicle with its door open using a single precision strike, demonstrating accurate targeting and controlled engagement. A damaged T-72 AV tank equipped with a Ukrainian Armed Forces protective cage is seen near the village of Sinino in the Kharkiv region, showing the vehicle's compromised condition following combat operations. December 25, 2025. In new footage, an FPV drone operator from the Sever Group's 34th Guards Motor Rifle Brigade struck a truck transporting enemy forces in the village of Osavka, Sumy region. In the Grishino area on the Pokrovsk direction, a civilian was spotted during operations, and the drone circled around him without engagement, avoiding any risk to non-combatants. After the initial engagement, Ukrainian infantry repositioned, inadvertently revealing their locations. New footage highlights the destruction of Ukrainian logistics through a series of precision strikes conducted by Russian unmanned systems. A KVN fiber optic drone provides detailed aerial imagery, capturing the aftermath of operations against Ukrainian armored vehicles, armored personnel carriers, and pickup trucks in the approaches to Pokrovsk and Mernograd. The drone footage clearly shows the scale of the damage, including disabled and destroyed vehicles scattered across key transit routes, illustrating the effectiveness of drone surveillance and strike coordination in targeting logistical nodes. These operations were carried out by highly coordinated units from the Center and Rubicon groups, which successfully identified and engaged over 50 Ukrainian military vehicles, significantly disrupting the enemy's mobility and operational flexibility. The strikes not only destroyed material assets but also impacted the behavior of surviving forces. Reports indicate that remaining Ukrainian units have deliberately avoided advancing into areas near Russian-controlled cities, reflecting the psychological as well as tactical effect of these drone operations. The footage underscores the growing role of unmanned systems in modern combat, where high-speed fiber optic drones can detect, track, and engage targets with precision even under challenging conditions. By targeting the movement and logistics of opposing forces, these drones impose continuous operational pressure, degrade supply lines, and limit the ability of frontline units to maneuver freely. This engagement demonstrates how UAVs have become a decisive tool in shaping the battlefield, combining reconnaissance, real-time targeting, and precision strikes to achieve both material and psychological impact on enemy forces.